The FINDKING Magnetic Knife Block stands out in the crowded knife storage market at $53.99, offering a distinctive fusion of premium acacia wood and blue resin construction that creates a stunning visual centerpiece for modern kitchens. Measuring 12.79 x 10.03, this dual-sided magnetic holder combines natural wood grain with contemporary resin accents, elevating your countertop aesthetic while providing secure knife storage. The block features powerful magnets on both sides, creating ample space for various knife sizes, from chef's knives to paring blades, while the durable stainless steel base ensures rock-solid stability and prevents sliding during daily use. With over 400 units sold in the past month alone, this knife block has quickly gained traction among home cooks looking for both functionality and style. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with the FINDKING block earning 4.5 out of 5 stars from 620 reviews. Users consistently praise its unique aesthetic appeal, noting how the blue resin creates a striking contrast against the natural acacia wood grain. The double-sided magnetic design provides exceptional versatility, allowing users to organize their complete knife collection while keeping frequently used blades easily accessible. Many reviewers highlight the block's ability to securely hold not just knives, but also kitchen scissors, bottle openers, and other metal utensils, making it a true multipurpose organizer. Pros include the eye-catching acacia wood and blue resin design, powerful dual-sided magnetic storage, stable stainless steel base, and easy maintenance with its smooth, waterproof surface that resists stains. The block's versatility extends beyond knives to accommodate various metal kitchen tools, maximizing countertop organization. On the downside, some users note that the premium materials and unique design come at a higher price point compared to basic wooden blocks, and the blue resin accent may not suit all kitchen decor styles. A few customers also mention that proper blade placement is important to prevent overcrowding when fully loaded with larger knives. Overall, the FINDKING Magnetic Knife Block delivers exceptional quality, functionality, and visual appeal for discerning home cooks who want their knife storage to make a statement. Its combination of premium materials, powerful magnetic hold, and distinctive design makes it an excellent investment for those seeking both practical storage and kitchen decor enhancement. And remember, we share by links in the description.